In this video, I want to share what I have found to be the best marketing strategy to make money online in 2024. It works equally well for beginner online marketers as well as those with more experience. It's what I do on a daily basis to create long-term passive income that gives me both time and money freedom. Before you start any side hustle, you need to watch this video and copy this strategy. Hi, I'm Joe Barkley. I've been making money online on a full-time basis for years now. It's what allows me to ski most days in the winter and to sail most days in the summer, while most other people are stuck at their traditional job dreaming of a way out. And before we get going, can I ask you to help me out? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and also hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And then one last favor, in the comments below, please let me know how you got value out of this video. So let's get into the marketing strategy that you can copy to make more money online faster and easier. Start by choosing the right opportunity to promote. You need to market something with an almost irresistible, high-converting offer, something where people see it and want it right on the spot. That's why I promote an affiliate marketing opportunity to create a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes per day. Everyone is looking for a faster and an easier way to make money online. This fills the bill, even for those with no previous experience. Then, you have to market it the right way. Rather than promote the offer directly, promote a well-designed lead capture page or landing page so that you can build an email list and market to it. Email marketing has been my most productive marketing strategy almost since the beginning of the internet. Once it's set up, email marketing is entirely automated. Again, I'm all about creating time freedom too, not just about making money. But more importantly, email marketing provides ongoing follow-up for those who do not team up with me on the first exposure. I'm convinced that the old rule is still true. On average, it takes 7 exposures to make a sale. I feel email marketing is so important that I even provide a way for my team to get access to the very best email autoresponder for free and provide a library of ready-to-go emails to put into it. But what makes this email marketing strategy so effective at making more money online is that each email refers people back to a high-converting sales page. It provides prospects all of the information they need to be able to make an informed decision to team up with us. It explains our simple, proven system and how you can make money fast. Many new people make money in just their first day or two. It even shares real testimonials from everyday people from all over the world who are having success with us. Prospects always like to see proof. And then another key part of my strategy, it's one that most online marketers miss, is making it easy for people to get to know me and to contact me for more information or questions. So at the bottom of each email, I include a picture of myself, not just because my wife thinks I'm good looking, but I find it helps prospects feel like they know me, that I'm a real person, not just a computer sending them emails. But the part that works best is I make it easy for people to reach out to me, whatever way works best for them, not just by email. So I also provide my cell so you can call or text anytime. Seriously, how many online marketers do that? And then the last part of my marketing strategy to help people make more money online is providing the very best training and support. Everyone on my team gets access to my private new members guide to get started the right way and start making money fast. Our company has the best training in the industry. In fact, people building other opportunities frequently join us just for the training. And then lastly, and the part of the strategy that I'm most proud of, is that when we team up, I become your personal mentor and coach. I share everything that has helped us be successful. When you team up with us, you really can create a full-time income in just 30 minutes per day. To learn more, go to my website at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.